Carnival Venezia Room 1440. There are 2 washrooms in this room. The first one has a stand-up shower, toilet, sink. There are 6 shelves and also a pull-out makeup mirror. Right across the hallway is the large closet. It has a full-length mirror, the light vest, plenty of hangers, 1 shelf. The smaller closet beside has the safe and also 6 drawers inside. We had the bunk bed set up because we were traveling with our kids and they had a lot of fun sleeping in there. The second washroom has a half bathtub, shower, sink, and also a clothesline as well. The room also has an unobstructed window. The kids really enjoyed sitting on the windowsill and reading a book. And also included in this room is a small fridge. Room 1440 is a deluxe ocean view stateroom on the port side of the ship on deck 1. The room includes a dedicated stateroom attendant, soft cozy linens. There is a bed topper available if you're finding the bed is a bit too firm. Television, stateroom climate control, hair dryer, shampoo, body wash, and bar soap also available in the washrooms. Covered peephole for privacy. The small closet with the safe has 3 drawers, not 6, as I previously mentioned. Also, bring a power bar if you're going to be plugging in a bunch of devices. We found that there weren't that many outlets in the room. Anytime dining is located 2 to 3 flights above room 1440 on decks 3 and 4. You can easily book your dining time on the Carnival app in your room and then wait for notification to walk up to the dining area. Our kids were in the kids club called Circle C, which is located at the front of the ship. It's a long walk down level 1 to the front and then up 2 flights to deck 3. Easy access, just a long walk. Lido Marketplace Buffet was also easy to access. We just walked out to the elevators up to deck 10 and the buffet was right there. Port access was also super easy. We just needed to go down 1 flight of stairs to exit the ship. If you're a first-time cruiser, it's always helpful to bring a lanyard with you so that you can clip your sail and sign card onto it. It's especially helpful if you have kids.